Hey gang, Jesse here, and I'm here to bust another myth. I'm sure you've heard it, I'm sure you've experienced it, but what's the reason that most car dealers want you to buy a new car at 100,000 miles or a little bit less? Two different things. If they can get you to trade your vehicle right before it rolls over 100,000 miles, it's got more resale value for the person they're fixing to sell it to. Okay, so they're gonna make a bigger spread on it, but they're gonna tell you, guess what? Your vehicle's out of warranty. Even if it's got an extended warranty, that's about to run out. All kinds of different. And just imagine yourself, just picture yourself sitting in a nice brand new car. Smell that leather, smell that brand new car smell. It doesn't smell like French fries, or if you've got kids, anybody that's got kids or has had car seats in their car, they know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Like you got the spilled pop, the spilled cheeseburger, the spilled French fries, all the kinds of things that you're not even supposed to be eating. That's a whole different story. And then, man, wouldn't it be just nice to drive a brand new car? When they don't tell you about the financial insecurity or instability or putting the other goals in your life on hold, because what I find from my own life experience and from others is sometimes a brand new vehicle is bought to make an image of a person to be somebody that they're really not. I'll give you, for example, I bought one brand new vehicle. I was young and I was dumb, right? I could not afford it. It should have been against the law for them to even sell me the vehicle. Somehow they figured out how to finance it to me. At that point in time, this was years and years ago, I was a young kid. I think I was 18, 19 years old, but my payment was $444 a month on this brand new pickup. Not a problem, I could handle that. I made great money at the time, right? Here's the caveat. My insurance, because I was 18, because I was a male, my insurance was $433 a month, right? I was paying almost $900 a month for this truck, and I had not even put fuel in it, and I hadn't even put a license plate on it yet. Think about that for a second, $900 a month. If I had put that with my financial advisor, or if I had just drove a pickup that I could afford to pay cash for, I could have stacked that $900 a month until I came to a point that I could just walk in and pay cash for one, or walk in and be able to buy one at rates that I could afford, right? So car manufacturers, they want you in a new vehicle so that they can take your used one and sell it to someone else, so they can sell the repairs that your vehicle is going to need to someone else and sell your new vehicle. They're making 3 sales off the same transaction. That's what it's for. That's what's in it for them. They want to sell you a new car. These vehicles today, with good maintenance, these vehicles will last for 200,000 to 300,000 miles, and they'll be reliable, they'll be safe, they'll be dependable. And they will get you for wherever you're going, wherever life takes you. They will get you there without any complications or any problems, with good maintenance. And it will be way cheaper than a $900 a month payment. And I'll see you in the next video.